So here they are. The soprano is really small, and I have not owned one of those, but they are out there and popular, and that's a good option. The concert, I think, is much more popular. That's a little bit, probably a little more comfortable for most people in terms of feeling comfortable with the left hand and the size of the fretboard. The tenor here is what I have in my hands. I find it to be an extremely comfortable size. It's still really, really portable, and it works well for me as a guitar player. That's where I'm coming from. Anybody else out there play guitar or play other instruments? I'll check on your answers in just a second. I want to point out that these three, soprano, concert, tenor, are all tuned the same way. So if you learn to play any one of these three, it will transfer over directly to the others. The baritone here is the outlier. This is a little bigger, and this one is tuned different. So if you're joining us on a baritone, everything's going to be a little different. And what I would recommend doing, if possible, if you happen to have a baritone, is take a capo, which is a little device that just lets you change the length of the strings, put it on here at the 5th fret, and you'll be able to play along with my lesson today. Everything will be exactly the same. I am assuming most of you probably have either tenor or concert. If you feel like telling me the uke that you have, go ahead and put that in the chat.